Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this reindeer nose and mouth. As usual, we start with a slip knot. Needle we are using is of 3.5 mm. After slip knot, make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with a slip stitch. Here we make a slip stitch. Now because of this we get a very small ring. Can you see see the small ring we are getting? Now we are going to make 21 double crochet stitches. Those stitches we are making around this ring. Okay, and how we are going to do this, I'll just show you. First, yarn over, insert your needle inside that ring. Yeah, inside that ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So in similar fashion you are going to make 21 double crochet stitches. I'll just show you. Now see, here we are done with the 21 double crochet stitches. Now we join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So our circle is complete, and following same pattern we need to make one more circle that is in red color. Okay, now first we complete our red color circle. First that little open end yarn, yeah, we need to pull it so that middle gap is completely packed, and it's like a solid circle. We don't have any gap in between. Now we just make one slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of every stitch. One slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of every stitch. All around we are going to do same. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, this is how a red circle look like. Now we will work on light brown circle. Now in light brown circle we are going to make one more round. We will be making 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. So just remember, we are making 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Here we are done with our second round also. So this is how it looks. Now we will join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we go. Now we go for the third round. In third round we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. In third round we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. After completing third round, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now for the last round, we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. Now just keep red circle on this light brown circle. We need to stitch this on whatever applique you are making, and down we can make either smile, either black smile or like. Now this is the final piece. This actually you can use in teddy bears also. Teddy bear. This, as we are making a reindeer applique for Christmas crochet or a Christmas decoration. But you can use it in other appliques also, and it is quite cute. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And I'm coming up with many more applique tutorial, and as we have seen, you are getting now this was for nose. Yeah, you can get crochet tutorial for ear, that cap and antler, every single thing, and whole applique crochet tutorial also. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.